Do you know many people are having trouble with controlling their JLab Go Sport Plus headphones? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Change EQ. Start by tapping either earbud 3 times to explore the EQ settings: JLab Signature, Balanced, Bass Boost, and Custom Sound modes. Step 2. Control volume. To adjust the volume, tap once on the right earbud to increase it, or tap once on the left earbud to decrease it. Step 3. Manage music. Play or pause your music with a single tap. Tap twice to skip forward, or tap 3 times to go to the previous track. Step 4. Control calls. For calls, tap once to answer or hang up. Hold the earbud to reject an incoming call. Step 5. Use voice assistant. Press and hold any earbud to activate voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant for hands-free operation. By following these steps, you can easily manage your JLab Go Sport Plus headphones with confidence. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other JLab users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.